If your company isn't doing lead generation marketing right now, you've been missing out on quite a chunk of sales. Really, it's as simple as that. All companies need potential clients to grow, first and foremost. And to do that, they have to sell to those same potential clients first. That means you have to lead them to you first through lead generation marketing. Hello and thanks for checking out my video. In today's video I am going to be talking about different tactics for generating leads. My name is Richard Murphy and I am from New Zealand, so for now just sit back, relax and enjoy the video. But what are the best lead generation marketing tactics? There are many, actually. Some companies use email marketing tactics, some use direct mail marketing, others still work with telemarketing and other marketing tactics that aim to capture the contact information of potential clients. But some companies prefer other methods, such as publishing a magazine or running a lead generation campaign in real estate. Below, you'll find several different ways to capture leads for your company. One popular lead generation tactic is called the nutrition lead marketing strategy. Nutrition experts suggest that building a relationship with your potential client should always be the goal when using lead generation marketing tactics. This doesn't mean you simply send them coupons or other type of freebie from your company, either. Rather, the nutrition lead involves building a relationship with your customers through a nutrition campaign of some sort. Another common tactic used to generate leads is called inbound marketing. This tactic involves using both traditional print and digital marketing efforts in order to reach your target audience. Many times, an inbound marketing effort can include telemarketing, cold calling, or even just writing letters to your target audience. But all of these methods should have one thing in common: they should be as targeted as possible. The nutrition lead is a good example of an inbound marketing lead generation technique that should be used very carefully. Because your nutrition lead page will likely include a link to a website where you can get additional information about your product, there is always a chance that your potential client will click on this link in order to learn more. Unfortunately, many online marketers create landing pages that are badly designed and difficult to read, not to mention riddled with spelling and grammatical errors. If you want your potential clients to be happy with what you provide them with on your landing page, it's important that your digital marketing efforts include a great landing page. One of the easiest things you can do for lead generation marketing is using your website itself as part of your lead generation marketing plan. For example, some business owners will create a blog, whether it's for fun or business reasons, and publish articles periodically about their business. Other business owners will create a video series that they will air on various video watch stations throughout the country. Regardless of the type of content you choose to publish, your goal is to engage your readers. Your readers will become familiar with your writing style, and they'll probably develop a level of trust. This trust can lead to more purchases from your customers. Another tactic that you may wish to consider for lead generation is the distribution of email offers. You may choose to send out offers to subscribers who have opted in to receive your emails. In addition, some marketers choose to build open pages on their websites, which allow visitors to enter their personal information in order to gain access to valuable information. This information may be necessary in order to generate new leads, but it's also a great way to generate new customers. No matter what form of lead generation marketing tactic you decide to employ, you need to remember that success doesn't come overnight. It will require time and effort on your part to generate quality leads. Don't let yourself get distracted by the many methods available to you. Focus on one strategy at a time, and you'll find it much easier to succeed. Once you've developed an effective lead generation strategy, be sure to take advantage of all it has to offer. Thanks for watching my video about network marketing. Success is bound to make an impact in your business. If you got value from watching my video, hit the subscribe button below this video. Well, that's about all from me. This is Richard Murphy from New Zealand signing off until my next video.